Hey everybody, welcome to another edition of RV Tips and Trips. Today I want to talk to you about us having another doggone leak on our roof. This time it's on the opposing slide from the other one that we had the leak. The other slide, the roof seems to be holding out pretty good. Haven't noticed any more leaks over there. What made me notice what's going on with this slide, which is the slide that has the dinette and the entertainment center, is the ceiling right over the dinette. I noticed all these bubbles. And I was like, what the heck is going on with that? And I push on them and they felt pretty firm. So I took a corn skewer and I poked it, and son of a gun, water came out, little bits of water. So I go, great, so now we got a leak on this slide out too. So I got up on the roof and I noticed where the roof material on the slide out meets the top part of the wall. The tape that runs along there to seal it, you can kind of peel it back. So what I'm thinking happened is the water, since the roof slants that way, accumulated right along that edge and worked its way down and under. And I'll show you, there's some of the wood up there rotted. The thing with water leaks is they can travel quite a distance. So they can be hard to find where the leak originated from. So they can travel a long ways. Also, wood can act like a wick and just kind of like suck up water. So it's not the easiest thing trying to find out where the source of the leak is. Like I said, it can travel anywhere, but water will seek out the lowest point. And I guess that lowest point was right over the dinette. So, you know, in the past, on and off, I noticed some water on the counter in the outside kitchen area. It was coming in with the real hard rain through the door that's on the side there, through here. And I tried to improve the seal there. But I guess that wasn't the source of the problem. All right, so here I'll show you what I've done to get this taken care of. All right, so the roof is firm there, and then until you get over here, and look at this, leads me to believe there's no wood under there, that it's rotted away up to about here. Firm there, some soft spots there, but right here, look at this, it's like there's nothing there, like you're pushing down on a drum. This is a major problem. I'm gonna have to peel this back, I guess, and maybe replace this wood section for now. Do some kind of temporary repair until I get this thing figured out. There's some soft spots there. Man, these things are built like total crap. Unbelievable. All right, so these are the things that we're going to use to fix the roof. So turn-on tape, lap sealant. I'm using self-leveling. Phillips screwdriver to screw the stuff back down, the screws that came up. Scissors to cut the tape with. And that's it. Alright, so I do want you to understand this is only a temporary fix. The wood on that roof really should be replaced, but we got rain coming tomorrow, so I'm just going to do a temporary seal job, and eventually down the road I will have to replace the roof or the wood material on the roof sometime down the road. So not today. I just can't believe this. Another freaking leak. Damn. Oh well. But so I've waited until late in the day because we're still in Florida and it was really hot today. But I got to get this done now. It's a lot cooler because tomorrow's supposed to be thunderstorms. And look at this. This is hard there and really soft there. So the wood is kind of like disappeared from there. And it's solid there. So I can get away with this temporary repair because, let's face it, nobody walks on this roof. So all I got to make sure is that this does not leak. What the heck? I mean, how they do this. Not sealed at all down here. They just run the roof over this, and then what? I mean, water runs down this way, collects down in here, and then runs underneath. This was never sealed. I don't know what the heck kind of craftsmanship that is, but so I'm going to screw these screws back down, and then I'm going to all the screws just lifted up. Put sealant around them, and then the tape, and then I'm going to seal down along that edge. All right. I think what I'll do over here too is I'll reinforce more tape over here, give this a little more strength. All right. So we've brought this over, this metal strip, so why water won't drip down inside there. And we're going to run this right up against the metal piece. And then I'm going to put lap sealant right up along in here too, as extra insurance. I didn't do that on the other slide. I think maybe I will. Water must run down this roof in here and pool here, and it seeped in this way. So And that's the only thing I can think of, because there were no tears or rips or anything on this roof. Screws backed up a little bit, but it's the only thing I can figure. The tape is down. Now we're going to go back and seal along the edge with the lap sealant for Dicor. But it's getting late in the day, I know, but it's not as hot as it was earlier. Whew, man, I am sweating like crazy though. It's still hot, so I'm glad I don't have the sun beating down on me. I'm going to take a beer break. Whoops. Hey, can I say that on YouTube? How about a one of my favorite adult beverages. Ooh. A black and tan. All right, see you up on the roof. All right, we're gonna reinforce this here just a little bit. Let's get a straight cut. Just to give it a little more strength there. Solid there, so. All right, so this is the next day, and we had a lot of rain today. I mean, it poured earlier, so we're gonna go up and see how the repairs have done. All right, so it looks good. We got a nice bead of lap sealant along the edge there, keep water out. So that's what it definitely needed, I think. They didn't do that when they originally manufactured this, so it left it vulnerable. So what I notice is the water runs down this way and kind of pools over here. And so there was a path for the water to make its way in. All right, so I think we're going to be good. All right, so it looks like that is going to work out for now. Now understand, this is just a temporary repair. I think eventually what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to strip that off and replace the wood material on that roof. But for now, this should work. It looks like it's all watertight, so that's the important thing, to stop the leak and to stop any further damage from occurring. I never anticipated really a rig that's only 4 years old to have this many problems with leaks on the roof. I mean, that 4 years is not old, so I'm a little perturbed about it. But all right, that's it for today. So until next time, happy camping, and bye now. Thomas says thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Until next time.